Hi guys! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to even out your skin tone and get soft, smooth, glowing skin from head to toe. So stay tuned and let's get started. So evening out our skin tone and creating a natural glow can be a bit overwhelming when we're talking about head to toe, but I wanted to show you my favorite tips and tricks that have helped me to really do that for myself. So let's get into it. First, really quickly before I jump into the video, I did want to do a quick minute shout out to Dossier for sending me these amazing perfumes. Absolutely love them, and I wanted to throw it in here real quick. If you guys love designer scents like Chanel, YSL, Tom Ford, and so many other huge designer staples and don't want to spend the money, you can check out Dossier. They have the exact dupes. They smell exactly the same for only $25 a bottle. I also have 10% off for you guys using code AnitaSamantha10 on top of a 20% off welcome offer using the link in my bio. So make sure you check them out and find a beautiful perfume for you, especially after you're about to have this glowing, smooth, soft skin from this video. And my two favorites right now are the Woody Sage and Oriental Cherry. So if you're trying to match, I would recommend those two. I'll have it linked below. Let's get into our skin. Number one, the first tip I have to share is just starting within. Hydrating is key when it comes to helping any skin problem, as well as creating a natural glow and evening skin tone. And if you really want to be extreme with it, I recommend drinking some type of green juice every single day. I will link up here a few of my green juice recipes in the videos I've shared before, but drinking this every day for 7 days could be a game changer. This is just pure celery juice. If you're struggling with any skin problems, uneven skin tones, or just wanting to give dull skin life again, I recommend drinking 16 ounces of this a day, just pure celery, and you would be shocked at what it can do for your skin. So comment below if you try my first tip. Second is exfoliation. So exfoliating is key when it comes to every part of your body, from the face to the neck, the arms, the legs, anywhere that you really want to even your skin tone, get rid of bumps, roughness, dry patches, and just rejuvenate the skin. I spend about 15 minutes a day in the morning exfoliating my face. In the shower, I exfoliate my body. I also have a lot of DIY remedies on at-home exfoliation, so I will link it up here and in the description. But just the key takeaway is to exfoliate your body and your face 15 minutes a day, and then I like to follow it up with vitamin C oil. This is key with removing scarring, uneven skin tone, and just really healing your skin and creating a natural glow. If you ever ask a girl why her skin's glowing, it's usually vitamin C. I'm not even kidding. But I've used about 20 bottles of this. I even put it in my lotion, which is a great hack. Put it in your body lotion and apply it all over your body. This one you guys have seen me talk about from the ibizaglow.com. I'll list it down below so you guys can pick it up also. So good. I could literally swim in it. Next up is doing some at-home light therapy. This is so underrated. People spend thousands of dollars for this at med spas, but little do you know you can get it at home. This is one that I got from Amazon. It's the Project E Beauty Luma Glow LED red and blue light therapy, and this is amazing for so many skin problems. I'll have this exact one I got linked below. It can even out your skin tone. It helps with anti-aging, shrinking pores, and I really like this one because it came as a kit. So I got the little gel, which is so soothing. It feels so good on the face. And then I like to go in with all three lights, which is blue, green, and red. I believe I've talked about this before and how different colors can really promote different enhancements for your skin. It is set for the face and eyes, but if you have any problem areas on your body, you can also use it on those areas as well. I really like to use the blue for acne, green for disinfecting, and red is amazing for evening the skin tone. I like to put the goggles on that it came with for that. And if you're new to this, I recommend getting the kit. This one, the Project E Luma Glow, it comes with everything you ever need, so I'll link it below. Next up, let's talk about one of the game changers for having smooth, even skin, and that is to get rid of shaving and invest in some good laser hair removal, because you'd be surprised how many dark spots and bumps can come from ingrown hairs, bad shaving, or just irritated skin. I invested in this. I actually got it on Amazon by this brand called Gramsimo. It's so cute. It came with the glasses. It's a full kit, a little razor, and it is an at-home IPL laser hair removal system. So I actually researched this, and I know I'm doing a little unboxing. You guys know I love to do that. But it shows you how to use it and everything. Now, if you're like me and have really sensitive skin, doing something like this can change not just the appearance of your skin, but it also can get rid of those little pores. I actually just talked about this in my last video, if you missed it, about keratosis, pilaris, KP, and how you can get rid of strawberry legs by using something like laser hair removal. So if you guys want to invest in one, definitely recommend this one from Amazon. I will link it down below. This one is amazing, by the way. It has, I think, like 999,999 flashes, which is enough for lifetime use, and it's beginner friendly. You have 5 treatment options, and it was only $99, and there was free same-day Prime shipping. And this will overall give you that glowing soft skin. The less hair, the softer it is, the less irritation, the smoother. And if you follow this up with some really good lotion, you guys will have soft, smooth skin in no time, and you can use it anywhere on your body. And this one specifically doesn't hurt, and it's so quiet. I'll let you listen. But yeah, I like to apply it on my whole body, from my legs to my arms to private areas. There really is no limit as long as it's not close to your eyes. And I then apply a ton of lotion after, so that really just helps smoothen and soften my skin. So check out this Gramsimo one below. Now, last but not least is taking care of your feet. I will link above here my feet video, how to get soft, smooth feet, but I love to exfoliate with one of these, just get rid of the calluses. I buy them on Amazon. Also, I'll link it down below. It's so good, and it just keeps your feet so soft. I get them in packs of 3, and I actually prefer using these on dry feet, and then I'll take a shower and lotion them, put socks on them, which you guys will see in my soft feet video that I'll link here, and it's amazing. I'll link it below. So hopefully you guys got some helpful tips here on how to even out your skin tone and get some glowing, soft, beautiful skin. Don't forget to comment "I finished" if you made it this far, and leave any tips you would like down below. Also, I do want to shout out Ombar, this amazing vlogging kit that I got from Amazon. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what I was doing without this. It's so good for traveling on the go. So for any of you who ask me what I use for my vlogging, for my filming, or if you just want something to start your own channel, definitely recommend this. It comes with the microphone, the lighting, the stand. It's great for using your iPhone or your camera, and it's so affordable on Amazon. So I will link it down below. 10 out of 10 recommend. And you guys know I've been doing this for a long time, so I'm always trying new things. And at the time, I just needed something fast because my last one broke, and when this came in, I was like, okay, wait, I gotta share this because there's so many people who could really benefit from just a one-stop shop kit. So check it out. I'll have it linked below. But I hope you guys love this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my ebook for more tips below, and I will link the rest of the videos that may help you down below as well. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.